I wasted 3 years of my life chasing fake finance advice. Like so many, I wanted to earn money online, but had no idea where to start. So, I did what most people do. I turned to YouTube for guidance. Little did I know, I was walking straight into a trap that would cost me 3 precious years. You can't imagine how you are fooled by online gurus, how they run their business, sell you false dreams, and keep getting rich themselves, and beginners or their followers remains in the same condition as they were before. But is this the only reason why most beginners are not able to make money online? So let's understand this trap in detail. After COVID-19 pandemic, the world has shifted online to a great extent, whether it is online business, online work, or content creation, etc. And due to rising inflation and poverty, people start gaining knowledge from internet for financial freedom. And then what? Here they meet financial gurus who will tell them how they can easily earn online. Where it is so difficult to earn money, these gurus claim to earn easily online. Then what? People start getting attracted towards them. They will criticize the education system, show their luxurious life, show how they earn a huge amount of money monthly, and make everyone feel that they can easily earn online. But the question here is it really that easy to earn online as you are told, especially through the methods suggested by financial influencers? Well, maybe some of the methods are technically possible, but they are usually oversimplified. Like most of them say that you can easily start earning through dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or freelancing, but it is not as easy or as fast as many influencers claim. Most require a significant amount of effort, learning, and patience, and the success rate is much lower than advertised. But they often highlight the few success stories and don't mention that the majority of people don't succeed. Many of the methods have become saturated, meaning competition is fierce. Thousands of people jump into these opportunities because everyone chooses the easy and quick path, and without a unique approach or strategy, it's difficult to stand out. This is the reason that when a beginner falls into the trap of easy methods of these gurus, he only keeps making them rich. Now let's talk about the reasons behind this, how these gurus spread their trap, and how beginners get trapped in it. Many people who are searching for ways to make money online are either unemployed, struggling financially, or disillusioned with their current job. This makes them an easy target for clickbait promises like make $1,000 a day with no experience, $10,000 as a student, or become a millionaire in 6 months, etc. And they also have to do this because people mostly like to see these things. No one wants to work hard. Everyone just wants the easy and quick way. And taking advantage of this, influencers offer quick fixes that appeal to emotions rather than reason. They show off lavish lifestyles, expensive cars, luxury vacations, and big houses, creating the illusion that these are easily attainable by following their advice. But what they don't tell you is that most of their wealth comes from selling the dream, not from using the methods they teach. They are selling hope to an audience that's willing to pay for any solution, no matter how unrealistic. And the second reason behind this is greed. The greed to earn more money. First, they will build trust with the audience, make false claims about how they have come here from poverty, how they have become rich through online earning, or say passive income. But the problem arises when they start monetizing that trust by selling courses, coaching programs, or services that promise to teach the audience the secrets behind their success. But let me make it clear that not every course or service sold by finance influencers is a scam, but some courses fall under the category of scams, like the course seller will give such offers to the audience that they don't get enough time to think critically or evaluate whether the course is truly valuable. This creates a sense of urgency and fear of missing out, pushing people to make impulsive decisions. And then they will change your mind that how you were living in poverty till today, and now you have found a greatest guru. Then your life will change completely, and then they will praise their course in such a way that you cannot get knowledge like this course anywhere else. But there is no problem in this. If you buy a course and you get the knowledge or guidance that you wanted, but if the course turns out to be not as it was described, then it comes in the category of a fucking scam. The course may provide basic or outdated information, which is also available online for free, or you may have poorly structured courses, minimal interaction, or hidden costs. Well, all these come under scam courses, but what if you actually buy a genuine and quality course, where the teacher gives you actual guidance on how you can actually earn, guides you step by step? Will this be enough to guarantee success? Buying a genuine and high-quality course can be a solid first step toward learning how to make money online or improve your financial situation. But many people believe that simply acquiring knowledge or access to valuable information will automatically lead to making money. But there are several reasons why even with the best course, people may still fail to make money. People think that when they buy a course, especially in the finance or money-making niche, they will start getting results quickly. A course may teach you the right strategies and tools, but it does not mean that your work will be easy. In reality, making money takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Underestimating competition and market saturation. Even with a genuine course that teaches solid, proven methods, many people don't realize that the market is highly competitive. Whether it's starting a blog, selling products online, or freelancing, whatever, thousands of other people are doing the same thing, often using the same strategies taught in the course. Successful courses usually provide foundational methods that work, but these methods often become widely known and used, which means the competition for attention, clients, or sales is fierce. And to avoid this, you will have to show uniqueness, do something different and better than others. Otherwise, that course will also be useless for you. Inconsistent execution. Consistency is key in almost any money-making endeavor. Success often comes down to consistently applying what you've learned over a long period. Many people fail because they don't stick with the process long enough and gives up. And second thing, every strategy requires constant tweaking and optimization. A course may give you the framework, but it's up to you to learn from failures, analyze what works, and continuously improve your approach. So, buying a genuine and high-quality course is not enough. Even the best courses require the learner to take consistent action, make strategic adjustments, and commit to the long-term process. Success comes from the implementation, adaptation, and continuous learning, not from the course alone. What is correct way of making money? But in the end, the question remains, what is the real formula to make money which can actually make you rich? Well, it's essential to understand that there are no shortcuts to building sustainable income. The correct way to make money, whether online or offline, follows a set of principles such as skill building and expertise development. The foundation of earning money in any field is acquiring and developing valuable skills. Whether you're freelancing, running a business, or even investing, the key is to master a skill that's in demand. Quick methods often gloss over this crucial step. No amount of shortcuts can replace the value that comes from expertise. Real money comes to those who can solve problems, provide a service, or create something valuable based on skills they've developed over time. Focus on long-term value creation. Instead of looking for instant income, shift your mindset toward creating long-term value. Successful entrepreneurs and professionals focus on building assets. Think about building an audience, creating a product, or establishing a service that offers real, long-lasting benefits to people. This process takes time, but it leads to consistent and scalable income. Adaptation and resilience. As I mentioned earlier, you have to be flexible and adaptable. You have to constantly learn, adjust, and evolve with the market. Those who succeed aren't just the ones who started, but the ones who keep going when faced with challenges, refining their approach over time. Patience and consistency. Finally, the correct way to make money requires patience and consistency. The internet is filled with stories of overnight success, but these are rare exceptions, not the rule. Results take time. So, what do you think about this topic? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, then don't forget to show your love and support.